What type of plant is this? I found it on the riverbank and brought it home to see if it would grow. Looked like a cucumber plant at first. It vined up, looks pretty, but isn't anything I've ever seen before. And this is from Denise, an old hickory. Okay, so guess what, Miss Denise? I've actually seen this a time or two before. It is the bur-cucumber plant, a bur-cucumber vine. So it resembles the cucumber plant. It has the hairy stems, okay? And actually the leaves are hairy as well, okay? Produces a cluster of flowers, and those flowers become a bur-looking fruit.
Edible?
I don't know if it's edible or not. Yeah, I don't know if it's edible or not.
I don't know either.
Yeah. But beautiful, like yellow, whitish flowers, right? But I've seen it a time or two. You know, likes, of course, you know, full sun if it can get it, good fertile soils, but bur-cucumber plant. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.